Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have BSW daily update. We are going to see the next targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits trading, 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance every day, educational videos, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see what BSW is doing. So eventually, what we are doing with BSW is that we are having a higher high, higher low pattern. Eventually, right now, we want to see if this is the stop of a nice bull run or not. Can we go even higher? Or will we correct? As you can see, it is a newly added on Binance. It was added on 21st March, then it exploded on 31st over the last few days. Look at one day what it did. Plus 100, and 27. Insane stuff right there from BSW. But right now, do we have something that we should be worried about? Maybe. We have a bearish RSI divergence on the RSI, Relative Strength Index. What this means is that we are getting a lower high pattern and at the same time a higher high. Is this eventually a bad thing? And does this mean that we are going all the way to go down? No. Okay, but at the end of the day, you have to be extremely careful, especially right now that unfortunately with BSW on Binance, we do not have much historical data. Anyway, we are going to see some price targets. We are going to eventually see if we can go even higher. On the very short term, what do we have right now is I'm going to the 1 hour frame and I'm going to draw a Fibonacci from this bottom to this top right here. You can see that we found a little bit of a buying pressure on the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. What we have to do right now is either to form a hammer, an inverted actually hammer candlestick right here, so we can go potentially higher, or we need to just close above the 1.82 USDT. If we do not, then we are going for sure towards the next price target, which will be even further down. If we close below the 1.62, we are probably going down to the 1.32. Okay, so you have to be extremely careful as we are having continuous bearish RSI divergence since the 1st April, yesterday on the 1 hour frame. On the 4 hour frame, we had two bearish RSI divergences. Sometimes we have seen it playing out and go down. Sometimes they are not so strong and we keep getting higher, but do not worry about that because I'm going to give you targets if we have another buying entry. If you have bought BSW from the bottom right here, do not worry about it, okay? If you have bought it right here, do not worry at all. If you have bought it though at the top, then I think that you should put a stop loss. What I mean by that is whenever you try to buy a pump and dump coin, you should put a stop loss in. So eventually what we have right here is we might be correcting even more, and you have to be extremely careful. Okay, if we do not correct though and we want to go even higher, then we have to close above this line right here, which is a 2.12 USDT, and then we can proceed towards the next target, which will be the 2.57, a nice 20% profit target. However, what we have to do is to close above the 2.12, because if we do not, then we hold a very high risk and we might be dropping further down below into the 1.32. You have to be extremely careful. I know it is so tempting to just get in after such a huge pump, but trust me, if you are so late to the party, then you might find yourself getting into a position where you do not want to be, getting into a position where this altcoin will keep getting further down. You need to put stop loss always with these pump and dump coins. If we close above the 2.12, we go to put 2.58, but it's important to know that the most probable scenario is to correct even more. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our Patreon, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.